You know how girls love to say, oh, as soon as he stops messing with me, his life just declines. You know, I made his life so much better. I fear that that is not the case for me at all. I just checked his Instagram. He's never looked better. I'm sick. I literally am sick. I don't know. It's like he got richer. He got fitter. He got hotter. And I know I shouldn't be checking, but I'm just a girl, okay? And I wanted to see what was going on. I honestly wanted to check it and be like, yeah, your life probably is bad now. Karma, karma. And did I mean karma? Because I swear, I don't want to swear. But I'm pretty sure he's never looked so good in his entire life. And in my entire life. Honestly, I'm really happy for him because that motivates me even more to get better and to become a better version of myself every single day. Because when I saw that, I'm eating kale because of that. I'm eating kale. I'm hitting the gym right after this. I don't care. I'm sick. I'm literally sick.
Bro, women keep tabs on you. And it's your own responsibility to either make her regret losing you or validate her decision to actually leave you. And I know I am a bit childish, and so I am going for I want the women to regret losing me. In this video, we're going to talk about 4 ways that you can make the women you've been with who are stalking you regret losing you. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number 1 is getting in better shape. If she left you, she broke your heart, and you're just looking the way you want. You are fat, you are not taking care of your style, you don't groom yourself. What do you really think is happening in her mind when she sees your posts on IG or on your stories on WhatsApp? Like, bro, she's just like, I did the right decision leaving that loser. And so, also, working out consistently is a very good investment for your future self. If you're young, this is something that I believe I've seen in the friends that my father has and the guys who are ahead of me when I was in school. I see all these guys who are fat right now. They got married and now they just look they look like potatoes. All right, yes, they look like potatoes without any shape or form. So guys, work out, look better. Guys, look better. I'm telling you, this is the one single thing that will make you the most attractive self. If you're looking to meet more women, have better date experiences with these women, and occasionally have sex with a few of these women, I have a free mentorship program teaching my own dating strategy. The link will be in the description. Check that out and let's get back to the video. Number 2 is getting better partners. Now, you might have lied to yourself that you got your soulmate and she left, she broke your heart. Now there is no one for you in the world. But in reality, there are 4 billion women in the world. 4 billion! 4 billion! If you think about that from that perspective, then it's so many women, so many opportunities for you to get women who want you for who you are and they appreciate you for who you are. And so here's the secret. The secret to getting better women in your life is being intentional with allowing women into your life. And so that means putting in effort to approach women, creating time in your calendar specifically for going out on dates. And whether you have a date or not, you just go out. And once you have better partners, she's going to regret losing you, because this is what I think women think. She thinks that when she was in your life, that is when your life was at the peak. Like she brought everything good in your life. And I think this is a delusion. And so just check her ego. Let her regret losing you by you actually going out there and meeting better women, more beautiful women, more quality women, and just having great experiences with women regardless of whether your heart was broken or not. Number 3 is you need to make more money. Guys, you need to make more money. And as I tell you, money does not play a really big role in the initial stages of the relationship. Now, it does help you meet more women and meet, I wouldn't say better quality, because even when you are rich, there are gold diggers and all that stuff. What this means is that you have better experiences. Money gives you freedom, and women are attracted to men who have that freedom. Remember, women just want to have a good time. And if you are broke right now, you need to actually create a plan, create a strategy to get yourself out of poverty. Because if you have money, I'm telling you, you can do so much things. And it's, guys, let me tell you, you don't really need that much. If you can take care of your basic needs for like a year, then the rest of the income that you have is freedom. You are free. Lastly is you need to experience life. Even if you are broke, that is not an excuse for you to not experience life. Here's the thing. What I've realized right now is that I was missing out a lot on my life, because I thought once I make a certain amount of money, then I can start experiencing life. And it's just prioritizing. Yes, priorities. Say for example, for me, I am an avid outdoorsman. I just like mountains. I just like nature. And so for me, experiencing life is experiencing that oneness with nature. And nature is free. Like, it's not that expensive to go out. So for me, I think from my own perspective, I was missing out on a lot, because rather than going out in nature, I would stay at home, watch videos, watch movies, masturbate, all that, with the excuse that I don't have enough money to go out. But bro, go out, do whatever the fuck you want. Like, experience life. And now when you have money, what money does is it enhances that experience. It takes the experience to a whole new level. And it's just like that with women. If you're broke, this is not a reason to not experience women. When you have money, it will just expand that experience. And but the basic principles lie. You need to be able to experience life without the external things. Because think about it. Say for example, the world ends and we are in this apocalyptic age where money does not really make sense and we are all fighting for survival. So does that mean you won't experience life? You will experience life however you think experiencing life is. So just define what you want to do and do it. Find ways to do it cheaply, and yeah, you'll find that life becomes far much more interesting. And so those are the 4 things that if you do, she's definitely going to regret losing you. And in the process, you are actually becoming a better version of yourself, experiencing life. And so if you got value from today's video, subscribe and join Inspired Alpha community on Discord. I will see you there, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.